Hi, in this video we will show you how to change the fuel filter on BMW 330d E46. The fuel filter is located behind this plastic cover, so first we need to remove the plastic cover in order to get to the fuel filter. That's the fuel filter right there. Next, we remove the two brackets that are holding the hoses to the fuel filter. Now we remove the two hoses that are attached to the fuel filter, and then we remove the filter. Next, to put on the new filter, we have to look at the arrow. It shows the direction of flow of the fuel. We have to put it in the right way. After we place the filter, we have to go into the car and turn the ignition on and off 5 to 10 times, so that the electric fuel pump bleeds the fuel system, and then we can start the car. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel.